Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Okay, so now that we have finished converting, creating a small program to get a roll of dice, let us move on into another inbuilt function called as alert. So, instead of this coming on the console, if I use the same thing in a function called as alert, it should be in your list, say alert, and it is saying it is a function which is a message. So here you can see, there is a message box that gets displayed. Now, we just randomly did everything. Now let us move into something called as variable. Now, what is a variable? Variable is basically, we want to store the result in a memory location. And that memory location will have a name. Think about a variable like a carton box. So there will be some. Let us say you are shifting your home from one place to another place and your packers and movers have given you a box. So in the box it could be anything. It could be a living room item, it could be a kitchen item, or it could be a bedroom item. So, in order for us to know what is the contents of the box, we will write a sticker and put it onto the box, or we will write on top of the box what the box contains. So, similarly, the contents of a memory location, you will refer it to by a variable name. So there are two ways in which you can write memory variables in JavaScript. So let a is equal to 10. Here is one example. Let a is equal to 100. Now, whenever you say this, let a is equal to 100 or anything like that, it says undefined. You can ignore why it is coming as undefined. But now, if you type a, it will say a is 100 and above we have defined b. But let us try to see what is the value of x, or let us say what is the value of c. See, it will say that no, there is no value. But if I now say c is equals to a into b. So 100 into 200 is 20,000. That is what it is showing the value. So now, if I just type c, it shows as 20,000. So you can save the result of an evaluating expression for later using the equal to operator. So that is called as an assignment operator. And the let keyword is basically saying that, okay, you are creating a new variable. Now, after you have assigned a value, you can use it whenever you want within your JavaScript code. Now, in this case, in the above case, where we saw, let a, c is equals to, a into b is assigned to, so the value of a into b is assigned to c, and we saw, whatever the value of c is. I said there are two ways. So another way is, let us say var p is equals to 150. Similarly, let us say var q is equals to 99. And I can say, var s is equals to p minus q. And now, if I say, s, it is giving me sorry, p minus q. So r is 51. Why 150 minus 99? It comes to us 51. Now, in case of merge connect, we use only the var method. Why is this? Merge connect uses a flavor of a JavaScript called as Rhino JavaScript. So there are various flavors of JavaScript. You have to remember that JavaScript is not only used in browsers, it is also used on server-side programming. It is used in various other places also. You would have heard front-end programming, something like Angular, React.js, so on and so forth. All of them are JavaScript programs. So ES6 is the latest version of JavaScript. Now, why do we need to use variables? The first use is to cut down repetition. Now, for example, let us say we go to Zcom. So here let us convert 1 USD into INL. So current conversion rate, is this one. Now, if I want to keep on converting it. So let me say var, or let. Conversion rate is equals to. Now if, let us say, I want to convert $45, so $45 into conversion rate. Next time I want to convert something like $88. So you can see that, instead of retyping that entire 79.78, whatever is the dollar conversion value, we are reusing that particular value. So this is one example. Another example is for what you call to make the program more understandable. If you see at one point in time, okay, let me reload this. I wrote this command. But it may not be understandable for everybody. We could break this into more number of lines. So we said, let random value equals to math.random. And we have scaled up that value. So random value into 6 is called a scaled up value. Then we are removing the fractions. So then we say math.floor of scaled up will give me a number without fractions. But this, we saw that it was giving us a problem of only giving us between 0 to 5. So then we said, OK. Next statement, let die roll is equals to no fraction plus 1.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.